Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we share delicious recipes from all over India. Today we will show you how to make a mouth-watering dish from Punjab, the land of 5 rivers and butter chicken. It's called Amritsari fish fry. It's a crispy, spicy and tangy appetizer that will make you drool. Amritsari fish fry is one of the most popular dishes in the region, and it's made with freshwater fish that are caught from the nearby rivers. Now let's get started. We will make a quick Indian chili oil by heating some mustard oil till it starts to smoke. After cooling the oil for 2 minutes, we add red chili powder and Kashmiri chili powder. This will give our fish the heat and the signature color during marination. Clean the fish and pat it dry with paper towels and cut them into medium-sized pieces. We are using basa fillets because it was easily available to us. Traditionally in Punjab, it's made with singhara and surmai fish. To the fish, add some ajwain crushed between your hands to activate its flavor. This also helps in digesting as fried fish is a bit heavy. Then add garlic paste, ginger paste, chopped green chilies, juice of 1 lemon, crushed kasuri methi, the chili oil we made earlier, salt, besan, rice flour, corn flour, hing and turmeric powder. Mix well with your hands, making sure that each piece of the fish is well coated with the marinade. Let it rest for 30 minutes or up to an hour in refrigerator for the flavors to infuse. Heat refined oil in a kadhai over medium heat. When the oil is hot enough, drop the fish pieces one by one without overcrowding the pan. Do not move the fish for the first 30 seconds in the oil to avoid the coating from falling off. Fry them for 2 minutes on each side to cook the fish through. Take the fish off the oil and let them cool for a minute. Now, on high flame, refry the fish until they are golden and crispy. This will take you about a minute. As a bonus, we will show you how to make tartar sauce with ingredients easily available in Indian households. For the tartar sauce, take some mayonnaise, add chopped red onion, chopped cucumber, chopped boiled carrot, grated egg white of 1 egg, juice of half a lemon, mustard paste, crushed white pepper and salt. Mix well and your easy homemade tartar sauce is ready. Sprinkle some chaat masala over the fried fish. Serve hot with some simple salad and tartar sauce. And that's how you make Amritsari fish fry, a delicious and easy appetizer from Punjab. We hope you like this recipe and will try it at home. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!